Good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be starting off with a protein bar. For some reason, I'm craving this. Which one is it? The chocolate mint one. I woke up, had my coffee as I usually do, and was just craving a bar, which I thought was weird. And I think because yesterday I ended my day at like 6 o'clock, so I haven't eaten since then. So I'm craving like food rather than a shake. So we're gonna start the day off with this, go for a walk, get on my morning call for work, do all of my patient load today. And in between all of that, I'll be filming for you, as I always do. I love you guys. I'll see you at the next viewing. So I'm out on my walk, and one of the things I wanted to bring up to you guys was on Tuesday coming up, the day after the holiday, I'm going to be traveling into New York City because some of our corporate people are flying in from California, and we're meeting and having a big dinner. Yay! But how do you stay on plan? Okay, so I'm obviously not going to bring my little portable food scale, which I do have to make a video for you on. It's amazing. But I don't know what to eat. I don't even know. It's at some big hotel in New York City. I'm anxious because I really don't have the details yet as to the name of the hotel, where we're eating, but you know, we always make good choices. I'm sure there's chicken, I'm sure there's fish, vegetables, that kind of thing. But that's coming up. Then we got to get through this weekend. So there's a lot going on, and I know for you guys too, this weekend is, you know, celebrating the country and all of the veterans that have served our country. And last year we didn't really have much of a Memorial Day. We usually have a parade in town, and because of the pandemic, we obviously didn't. This year we are. So I'm going to be going to the parade and enjoying the weekend with the fam and some friends. Other than that, I don't know, not much going on. How about you? Wearing my red, white, and blue today. Don't know why. I was just kind of in the mood. So anyway, that's what's going on in my head as far as getting prepared for the holiday weekend and then the day after. So anyway, just wanted to update you. I'll see you back at the house. All right, so we are at the next fueling. I'm having, some stuck on the side. Having a chocolate shake with PB2, and I added a little bit of this banana extract. So it makes a chocolate peanut butter banana shake. Real good. And for those of you that don't know what PB2 is, because some of you don't, I've been getting questions. This is what it looks like. I buy it at Walmart. Basically, PB2 is just how they make peanut butter. Is they ground up the peanuts, and you get the peanuts and the salt and the fat and all that other good stuff. When you buy peanut butter like Skippy or Jif or something like that, they add sugar to sweeten it up. PB2 is just peanuts that they grind up. Think of it like grinding it up into a powder, and then they press it. So all the fat and such gets extracted, and what you're left with is a peanut powder per se. And it has a lot less fat, according to this, 90% less fat than regular peanut butter. For 1 tablespoon, it's only 30 calories. Think of regular peanut butter. 1 tablespoon of peanut butter is almost 200 calories, I believe. Hold on, I'm gonna actually look. My fault. 2 tablespoons is 180 calories. So if you think of, that would be 90 calories per tablespoon, and this is only 30. So regular peanut butter is 3 times the calories and way more fat and carbs than this. So I like to add a tablespoon to my chocolate shake, like that. And then I do a teaspoon of the extract, banana. There's no carbs, there's nothing really in it. It's just flavoring and a little bit of alcohol, it says. So if you want to get drunk, drink a bottle. No, I'm just kidding. But it does say alcohol, the ingredients on this. Here, I'm gonna read it. Let me see where I saw it. Hold on. Hold on. Don't do what I just said. Okay. The ingredients is alcohol and natural flavor extracts of banana. So I looked it up under nutrition information through the company. It said for a teaspoon, no calories, no carbs, no added sugars, nothing, but it gives you the flavor of banana. I buy this in my local grocery store. Here's what it looks like. I'm not sponsored. It's just something I love. Banana extract by McCormick. These two together with the creamy chocolate shake, perfection. Oh, and that's all I have to say. I'll see you at the next fueling. So we are at Lean and Green time, and this is the star of the show. Now here's what cracks me up. See where it says spirals? And it looks like spaghetti, like squash spirals? This is what it looks like when you cook it. Chunks. What the hell? All right, so regardless, I have 3 servings of spaghetti squash, and I have 12 ounces of 1% fat whipped cottage cheese. This is Lean and Green. This is what I'm in the mood for. I know it looks weird and gross together, but let me tell you, it's delicious. So here's my Lean and Green. I'll see you at the next fueling. Hey guys, all right, so we are at second Lean and Green. I took a shower. I changed my clothes. It's getting later in the day. And we are having a grilled chicken salad. So there's 3 servings of romaine lettuce, 6 ounces of grilled chicken breast. And for the fat today, I'm going to be using light ranch. 2 tablespoons of this is a healthy fat. So interesting, right? Instead of 1 tablespoon, look on your chart that you have of all of the dressings that you're allowed to have. Wishbone light ranch, 2 tablespoons, which is actually quite a bit. And you know I don't normally use salad dressing, but look at that. That salad is fit for a queen who's working out. So that is second Lean and Green for the day. I think we have 1 fueling left, if I'm not mistaken. So we'll see you back later. So we just came into the living room. This little dog bed Jess bought yesterday for the dogs. He bought 2 of them, and I just found Paisley and Petunia all curled up together. Are you sharing your new bed with your sister? You're such a good girl. You are Mommy's angel. I can't, I'm gonna fall over. And of course she has her little Rugrat toy. Let's see, Petunia, she's sleeping? Yep. Are you cuddled up, Petunia? She's sleeping. Oh, Paisley, you are such a good big sister. Actually, you're the little sister, because Petunia's older than you. Yeah. You sweet girl. 2 of my babies. There they are. All right, guys, so last fueling of the night is going to be chocolate pudding. Haven't had this one in a while. And to be honest, this 4, 1, and 2 is a little bit much for me. As you can see, I didn't do the fruit today. I don't know. I'm missing 5 and 1 because I'm feeling just like too much food right now. Today's workout wasn't a heavy one, so I should have done 5 and 1. And I didn't transition the right way. I should have done it like a transition and then gone on to the program, not 5 and 1 right to 4, 2 and 1. I think it was a little much. My stomach has been very gassy and whatnot. One of you reached out. So what I was saying before I got rudely disconnected, my phone battery died, is that one of my followers reached out and said that aloe, pure aloe, drinking a couple of ounces every day would help get rid of that gassy feeling and help the stomach adjust. And I've been doing it, but it's still not right. So I was talking to her the other day. She said it takes a couple of weeks to do. So I think I'm going to still be doing 5 and 1 for now. On the days I exercise and train, I will be including more of a Lean and Green, and I'm going to do it slowly instead of just hopping into it. My body just can't take it. I've been on 5 and 1 for so long that I think just the immediate switch over was just a lot. It doesn't sound like it would be, but if you think about transitioning, it's supposed to be done slowly and monitoring and not just from one plan to the next. especially when you're adding in fruit, more protein, more veggies. That is just not right. And why I went that way, God only knows, because I know how to transition people. So that is, I think, the game plan for now. If something changes and my stomach starts to feel better and I feel like I need more because of the training, then I will jump into it a little bit more swiftly. But for right now, it was just too much. So with that being said, I'm closing out the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was fun to film for you. Tomorrow, we will be going to the parade for Memorial Day. So I'll bring you and I'll show you what I'm eating, and we're gonna do some fun family things, and hopefully we'll have a great day. So thanks for watching, and remember, as always, we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.